Okay, just now the outside is not dust free, but here is already dust free. So you can see here when we finish the backlighting, then this product will move into our dust free workshop. So you see here, and then we'll go to our next step. Okay, and then this way we'll put the film we call the lighting film onto the AD top. Totally, we have 3 films put on the top of the backlight. So this is the first one, and then we go to our second one. This is the second film, and then we are going to add the third film. The main function for this film is for make the backlight more transparent, and then this can be very important for the brightness. So you see here right now we are doing the testing to make sure whether the backlight is working or not. So right now it's doing the testing now. Okay, so right now after the film is on the position, and then we need to use the frame. You can see our frame to on the 4 sides. By this way we can fix the film so it's not moved to any place. Okay, by this way, this is finished now. We go to the next procedure.